people is what makes MC Assembly. We've got a very diverse work group, people from all over the world come with different backgrounds, and that's what really makes MC special.
Our typical employee at MC Assembly, first of all, has to be flexible. Most of our employees don't just work on one area. They have to learn to work multiple areas just because that's the way the business goes. Sometimes you're busy in one area, sometimes you're busy in another area. So what you're going to find in our employees is that they're very, very flexible, in a very dynamic environment, meaning that not only they have to learn to do one specific job, but also they have to learn other trades. They have to be able to go from SMT to box assembly, because that's how we are able to manage our labor force properly.
Successful employees really have a few attributes. One is you got to love manufacturing. You got to love the difference, the change, this reliability and this flexibility. It means attention to detail, but it also means being able to change. So always learning, a thirst for knowledge, a thirst for wanting to do a good job and recognize what that means, understanding how important your product is. If we make a mistake, it's not just, oh, it didn't work. It means something bad happens in the end, because of the critical nature of our products. So somebody that has that thirst for knowledge, desire to learn, to always get better, to continuously improve, want to upgrade their skills, those are the things that are important for all employees in our company.
This is an ever-changing business. It's never boring. It's actually very satisfying because you can get in the car every day and go, I did something today, I accomplished something. I don't ever feel like I'm a gerbil on a wheel. I feel like we have real issues and we're making a lot of headway and a lot of progress.
The average tenure of our employees are over 10 years. We have developed a lot of the necessary skills we need. We do a high level of training with our employees. We've taken people with high school educations and taught them everything they need to do their entry-level jobs and to progress their way through the higher responsibility jobs.
What we have provided is multiple trainings to the organization. We have done APICS, we have done troubleshooting, we have done quality. We have done significant amount of investment in the people, which is part of the values that we're trying to, again, create at MC Assembly. So when you think about training, it's just not one training or one event, it's a series of events that every employee has gone through. For example, in this past year, probably about 60% of our employees has taken one sort of training during the course of the year. And many of them have taken 2 or 3 different type of training. So again, for us, training is important. It's part of what we are trying to provide our employees so that they can be better and they can have success in what they do for MC Assembly.